Hello, my name is Izzy and today I'll be talking to you about information systems. The first topic is legal issues. The Data Protection Act of 1998 was set up by law to control the way people's personal information can be used by organisations. The information must be used fairly and lawfully, used for limited, specifically stated purposes, used in a way that's adequate, relevant and non-excessive, accurate, kept for no longer than absolutely necessary, and handled according to people's data protection rights, kept safe and secure and not transferred outside of the UK without adequate protection. Although there is a stronger protection for more sensitive information, which include ethical issues, political opinions, religious beliefs, health, sexual health and criminal records. An example of this in Tesla would be the personal information an interviewee gave us when they wanted to work with Tesla. Another act would be the Computer Misuse Act of the 1990s. This act is to determine how illegal you can go when misusing someone's personal information. For example, the first would be looking at someone else's files on a computer. The second would be hacking into the bank account of someone and wanting to increase the amount within your account. Third would be writing a virus to destroy someone else's data or actually changing the amount of money in an account. An example of this act would be if a customer found someone else's credit card and details within a self-checkout machine and used that card to purchase their items. Ethical issues is next. The use of emails and the internet within businesses and organisations will have a code of what can be done and what can't within the business. With the use of emails, they would usually ban impression of harassing emails, also spamming or producing large numbers of unsociated emails, and limited use of emails for personal use is often permitted. The use of the internet would be accessing to inappropriate websites, usually banned or filtered out, controlling over content of company web servers, and limiting the use of internet for personal purpose is also often permitted. Whistleblowing is a word used in business which involves knowledge of an insider within the company doing illegal misuse of the system. It keeps the information of those who reported it a secret so nobody else gets in trouble. Health and safety is a big issue within any business or organisation. The safety of the employees and customers are a big issue and must not be taken lightly. Within Tesla, some examples of health and safety would be the spillages, wet floors, trip hazards, rolling cages and wheeled racks within the aisles and step ladders. To keep up with the forever changing world of tech and computers, businesses have to upgrade their technology to keep up with competitors, and this all comes at a cost. Tesla would have to change or update the software for all their machines they use, such as self-service tills and their hard drives, which store all the information that Tesla has collected. The world is used mainly by computer nowadays, which means if a system breaks down, all the data that has been stored will be immediately be lost. It is always best for a business to have backup computers and the store hard drive with a copy of all the data used.